Alright, so I'm going back into the Frenchies once more. So all the way up, hold for 5, 90 degrees 5, and then 45 degrees 5. Try and do 3 reps. Thank you, a lot of gifting 6 subs to the Thirsty Boys. This one's gonna be hard. Yeah, we tied. We got the setup, we got the workouts, we got the Boris, we got the boys. There you go. That's actually too far. It's too much of everything over there. Been to BGT. Haven't been to any massive festivals or anything, no. Just clubs, DJ sets. Try and do a little bit of front lever work for you, so you can see what that's like. I'll do it from an angle. Bed in my house? Yeah, it's behind. It's over there, in that room. So front levers, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure we get some cam angles happening here. That's probably fine from that angle. Thank you for the sub there, Randall. So front lever is going into a horizontal position and holding it. I'm not quite at a front lever position or status. I can show you just getting into the position, but I'm still training for it. Because it's something I haven't done in years, or tried to do in years rather. So the idea is, like straight arms,